Alright, we're having engine night over here at Mike's. This is his new house. This is his new garage. He's got another garage over there. Maybe I'll take you over there in a little bit, but you have to bear with me here because I'm filming with my left hand and these cameras aren't made for that. You know, I just had surgery on my shoulder and I'm going to be disabled for a month or so, but I'm going to take, let's go back here and see what they're doing. I think right now, this is an old corrugated building, but it's corrugated with the good stuff, you know, like they did way back when. So it's not a modern building. It's really nice. And what Mike is doing now, he's got all his equipment in the middle here. He's putting up plywood and taking down some lights. There he is up on the ladder. There's a little dirt bike over there in the corner. And they're just taking lights. Mike just put the wood up and painted it. You say, buddy? And there he is up there, the man himself.
How you doing? Welcome to the new garage here.
The new digs. The new digs. Who's this? Where'd you pick him up at? Oh. Alright. I'll take a walk around, maybe show you the other place, the other garage.
Yeah, you can take a walk to the barn and take a look in there real quick. There's a couple things in there yet, so.
Alright.
Yeah, I gotta hang some plywood tonight.
He's got this one building. It's about I guess 25 by 30 at least. And then they added on this extra garage here. So you got plenty of room here to work. Oh, got a dog. Got dogs. And then back here, he's on about 5 acres. So he's got neighbors, but they're so far away, they won't hear his engines or nothing. And it's looking good here. The trees are filling in. When we came here in the wintertime, it looked like heck, but it's looking good now with the trees blooming and stuff. And this other building here, this is like a pole barn. More modern. It's got the newer siding on it and stuff. Yeah, he still has to put a floor, and it's got a dirt floor. He's got some of his equipment in there. And there are 2 sliding doors. But that's a good size too. That's about a 30 by 40. When he gets a chance, when they stop doing the work, I'll grab them and have them open it up and take a look inside. It's starting to get a little dark, but Mike said he's going to take us back and show us his backyard here. I think he's like on 5 acres. You know, maybe 2 in the front, 3 in the back. Is this coming down, Mike?
Yeah.
With walls, and now
Actually have a draft, yeah. What's that tube?
Is this coming down?
I don't know what we're gonna do with it yet.
Yeah, we don't need that.
I just spoke to Cindy
about
that the other day. So what are we gonna do with it? I don't think we're gonna use it. We have an actual grill.
Nah, get rid of it and get a stainless steel.
Yeah.
How big is this? 40 by 60?
No, it's not that big. I think it's
100 by 50?
I think it's 30 by 40.
Yeah, it looks like it's a good size. This is where you guys big engines. Didn't get a chance to electrify the place. Well, he's got electricity, but he's only got 1 bulb.
Yeah, there's a couple of ditty light bulbs,
Yeah.
Just how it came.
Oh, is that the tractor you bought?
Yeah, this is the one I got from my old neighbor.
Uh-huh.
So it cuts the grass, you know.
Looks like a nice tractor.
That's all it needs to do is cut the grass. So, yeah.
This is your Whitty. You guys remember the Whitty?
Yeah, the Whitty now has a place indoors. So, yeah, pretty much everything.
Window.
Is going to do on the inside. It's not actually a couple things you put on wheels yet, so I can get them in and out. But and I'm not going to keep the trailer in here, but I haven't gotten those crates off yet, so can't get the crates off until I have a place to put the stuff. That's it.
It's a good size. Don't think it's too old. I would say maybe 10, 15 years old. That might.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. There's no documentation on it, but I think you're probably on point there.
Yeah. Very nice. Let's take a walk out to North 40 before it's too dark, Mike.
All right.
We'll make one. You know, it's nice. He's got about another 3 acres out back this way, but behind him is a horse farm, so it's all wooded area and everything.
Yeah, it's pretty wide. Like the property goes all the way to where it's cleared over there. So all the woods up along there are mine too.
Is it a big rectangle?
Yeah, it's pretty much a rectangle.
I think if you walk back far enough, you run into a little stream. I'm going to shut you down till we find something. Yeah, Mike's property ends right here where that little streamer is. And there's his building way back there. You just barely see his other one, but the horse farm is ripping out some trees. And this here is just for the horses to trot around in, so they cleared this out. Cleared it out for the horses. Pretty cool.
So this is what I was telling Everett. I think they're riding horses, but all these little paths go kind of like all around in the back here. And I don't see any of them now, but they had this weekend. They had like horse jumps and like obstacles set up here, and I think they ride through here.
It's probably like a
training thing or something to break them or something. I don't know. I don't know anything about
dirt bike
horses.
trails for horses.
Hey, wait for me! Alright, we just got done. We just had a long journey through the woods there. Alright, let's go back. Let's go put some wood up, Mike.
All right, we got things to do.
Look at that. What's under here?
Oh, that's the old International generator. That's waiting to get on some wheels.
And then a genset. You keeping this one here or is this one for sale?
No, this is going to be the house generator here. 20 kilowatt, so gonna have plenty of juice for the house.
That'll do it.
Oh yeah.
Alright, we're back in the garage here. Alright, back to work, guys.
What's that? I can get them in the middle real quick. How's the phone over there? Mike?
It's perfect actually. So give me a sec. Are you all the way up against the wood there, Bill?
No, it's falling awkward again. Yeah, it's not really square. Be able to screw it going.
Okay, I got one in there.
You should be able to screw it though, because I'm holding it.
Alright.
Your way.
No, not at all.
It's getting late here, and we got all this work done here. Put all this wood up for Mike, and who are them guys? And it's getting dark, so we're about going to wrap this up. And you're not going to see many videos for the next couple of weeks. And show them why, buddy. Here,
All right, buddy.
Let my buddy help.
Here you go. Here you go.
Okay. Can you see my shoulder here? It's all damaged.
I see it.
I'm all stitched up in here and stuff, so we got to wait for that to heal. And I don't have much to put up, but hang in there with us.
Stand by.
All right. Close it out, buddy. Say goodbye to
All
everybody.
right, see
I'm
you,
injured.
tubes. Enough of this.
See you, tubes.
Bye now.